Topic we will discuss about the power MOSFET. A power MOSFET is a voltage control device. Okay, as you know, the power BJT is a current control device. The collector current is dependent on the base current, hence, the current is highly dependent on the junction temperature. This is a serious disadvantage of power BJT. To overcome this disadvantage, we can use a voltage control device such as a power MOSFET. The other advantage of MOSFET is that it requires only a small input current. Some of the important features of the MOSFET are as follows. It is a voltage control device. Second one, switching speed is very high. Third one, they do not have the problem of breakdown, second breakdown. Okay, so MOSFETs are two types: depletion type MOSFET and enhancement type MOSFET. MOSFET is a three terminal device. The three terminals are drain, source, and gate. Okay, the basic construction of the depletion type MOSFET is shown in figure. Okay, so this is the construction of the depletion type MOSFET using the N channel. Okay, again the depletion or enhancement may be the two types, N type and P type. Okay, a P type semiconductor material is used as a substrate. Substrate is nothing but body. Usually the substrate is internally connected to the source terminal, but sometimes it is taken out as a separate terminal termed as SS. Okay, the drain and source terminals are connected to the N type regions through the metallic contacts as shown in figure. These N type regions are linked with each other by a N channel as shown in figure. Okay, the gate terminal is insulated from the N channel by a thin silicon dioxide layer, SiO2. Yes, all of you seeing here, this SiO2 is nothing but silicon dioxide. Okay, that is the using in the form. There is no direct contact between the gate terminal and the N type channel of the MOSFET. This is a major difference between the JFET and MOSFET also. Okay, due to the presence of Si2 layer between the gate terminal and the N type channel, the input impedance of MOSFET is very high. This is a desirable features of a MOSFET. Due to high input impedance, the gate current Ig is 0 for the DC operating conditions. Okay, so now we'll be going for the figure A shows the construction and figure B shows the circuit diagram. Okay, refers to the figure B. Okay, so it shows that when VGS is equal to 0, okay, when VGS is equal to 0 volt, a positive voltage VDD is applied between the drain and source. Just here, VDD is applied between the terminals drain and source. Due to the positive voltage applied to the drain terminal, free electrons from the channels are attracted to the drain and the drain current starts flowing as the VGS is equal to 0 volt, this current is labeled as IDSS, that is drain to source saturation current. Okay, so this is for when the VGS is negative. Okay, due to the negative voltage applied between the gate and source terminals, the gate will tend to repel the free electrons towards the p-type substrate and attracts the holes from the substrate. P-type will be having the substrate. Okay, so these electrons and holes will recombine inside the channel. Okay, this is the channel as you show in the construction. This will reduce the number of free electrons available for conduction. Therefore, the drain current will decrease with the increase in negative value of VGS. Thus, as VGS will be the negative increases, as the VGS increases, ID decreases for a constant value of VDS. Okay, depending on the magnitude of the negative bias VGS, a level of recombination between electrons and holes will occur. This will reduce the number of free electrons in the n channel available for conduction. Okay, so if the VGS is made negative enough, the channel will be completely depleted and will offer a high value of RDS, and there will be the no current flowing from drain to source. ID is equal to 0. So this is called as, when the ID is 0, that is called as pinch of voltage. Next, when VGS is positive, okay, the channel become wider and ID will be the increases. Okay, so this is for when the VGS will be the positive. Okay, so if the gate voltage is made positive with respect to the source, then the positive VGS will draw the additional electrons, free carriers, from the p-type substrate due to the reverse leakage current. These accelerated electrons will knock out more electrons due to the collision. Thus the drain current will increase as we increase the positive gate voltage VGS. Okay, so this rise in drain current will be very rapid. We must therefore be aware of the maximum drain current rating and should not exceed ID above that. Okay, so this is nothing but when VGS will be the positive. Next, this construction block diagram show the P channel depletion type MOSFET. Okay, so construction for the P channel, operation of the P channel MOSFET. Okay, with the depletion type. Okay, so here this P channel, construction of the P channel depletion MOSFET is exactly opposite to that of the N channel MOSFET shown in figure. Okay, so the construction and characteristic of a P channel depletion MOSFET same. Okay, note that all the voltage polarities and current directions are reverse as compared to the N channel MOSFET. As VGS is also reverse, the transfer characteristic is the mirror image of the transfer characteristic of the N-type depletion MOSFET. Okay, so this is for the P channel depletion. Next one is enhancement type MOSFET. Okay, the basic construction of N channel enhancement type MOSFET is shown in figure. Okay, N channel enhancement type MOSFET. The slab of a p-type semiconductor is used as substrate. The substrate is sometimes connected to the source, otherwise it is brought out as the fourth terminal usually. Okay, the drain and source terminal are connected to the N-type dope region through the metallic contact. But most important point to noted is that channel is absent here, just here. That is the difference between the depletion and enhancement. There is no channel. Channel is absent here. The insulating layer SiO2 is still present, which isolates the gate terminal from the substrate. Thus, the construction is very similar to that of the depletion type MOSFET, except for the absence of the channel. For depletion MOSFET, the gate voltage can be either positive or negative, but the enhancement type responds only to the positive gate voltage only. Okay, so this is the, again for the N channel, this is the basic structure, and the P channel. Okay, so and this is the symbol of the enhancement. Okay, channel break will be there. Next will be the steady state characteristic. Okay, so that is the characteristic curve will be the coming in the form of the that one steady state characteristic. Okay, this is the steady state characteristic you are taken for. That is the output characteristic or a VI characteristic of a suppose I am taken for the N channel enhancement type. Okay, the output characteristic, the drain current ID is a function of the drain to source voltage VDS with the gate source voltage VGS as a variable parameter. Just here, x-axis you are taken as the VDS and y-axis you are taken as the drain current, and the variable parameters will be the gate source voltage. Okay, so and the saturation, cutoff and pinch off region, okay, or a linear region of the characteristics are also shown in the figure. In the power electronic application where the MOSFET is used as a switch, the device must be operated in the cut-off and ohmic region when turned off and on respectively. Okay, so here also you are taken for the cut-off region, pinch-off region and linear region. Pinch-off region is also called as saturation region also. The MOSFET is in the cut-off state when the gate source voltage VGS is less than the threshold voltage. Okay, the device must withstand to the applied voltage, and to avoid the breakdown the drain to source breakdown voltage should be greater than the applied voltage. When breakdown occurs, it is due to the avalanche breakdown of the drain body junction. Okay, when a large gate to source voltage is applied to the device is driven into the ohmic region where the drain to source voltage VDS is small. In this region of the operation, the power dissipation can be kept reasonably low by minimizing the on state voltage. Okay, so conclusion from the uh, static characteristic of that, the MOSFETs are voltage control device. The output current can be controlled by varying the gate source voltage VGS. With an increase in VGS, the drain current will increase. The gate to source voltage should be large enough to drive the MOSFET into ohmic region. Practically, the minimum VGS required is about 12 volt. If a VGS is less than 12 volt, the MOSFET will operate in the saturation region, which is not desired. When the forward voltage VDS applied to the MOSFET exceeds the breakdown voltage, the avalanche breakdown takes place. Operation above the breakdown voltage must be avoided to protect the MOSFET. The second breakdown does not exist in the MOSFET. Okay, this is about the static characteristic or output characteristic of a MOSFET. Okay, so and this is the switching, okay, that is the circuit diagram, and this is the equivalent circuit of that. Okay, so this is the enhancement type n channel MOSFET. Okay, so that is the diffusion type MOSFET and enhancement MOSFET. Okay, that is to the you are taken for the equivalent circuit of. Okay, so next class we will discuss about the switching characteristic. Electronics is the branch of engineering. We deals with the current conduction through ಇದೇ ನಾವು ಏನು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬೈಲೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳೋದು ಒಟ್ಟು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಜಲ್ದಿ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಜಲ್ದಿ ಕಟ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ. ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಡ್ಯೂರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳೋದತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಬೈಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಕೋತಾನು. ಹಾಂ, ಜಲ್ದಿ ಆಗ್ತದ್ರಿ ಸರ್, ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಸರ್. ನಾ ಇಡೋತನ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಈಗ ನಾಳೆ ಮತ್ತು ನಾಡ್ದು ಸೂಟಿ ಐತ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಸರ್. ಇದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಹಾಂ, ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಡಿವೈಸ್ ಈಗ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, as you know, the power BJT is a current control device. ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ಒಂದು ಹುಡುಗನ ಮೊದಲು ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಟೇಬಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾ ಇಟ್ಕೋತೀನಿ ತೋರಿಸಿ. ಪವರ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಇಯರ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡೀನಿ. ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರೋದಿನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗೈತೆ ಸರ್. ಹಾಂ, ನೀವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡೀರಿ? ಅದೇ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ನಾಗ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. ಹಾಂ, ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ನಾಗ ಇದನ್ನೇನೋ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು. ಏನೋ ರೀ ಸರ್, ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಟ್ಟು ಹಾಕಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ನಾಗ. ಎದಕ್ಕೆ? ಹಾಂ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಸರ್. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಸರ್, ನಂದು ಇದು ತೋರಿಸ್ಲಾ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಮೀನಾಕ್ಷಿ ಎಸ್ ಕನ್ವಾಡಿ. ನಂದು ಮಾಡಿನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾನಲ್, ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳದು ಆಯ್ತದ, ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾ ಮಾಡೀನಿ. ಭೀಮೇಶನ್ ಕಡೆ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದೆ, ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿರಿ? ಮೂರೇ ನಾಲ್ಕು ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಸರ್. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಭೀಮೇಶ್ ಹಾಕ್ಯಾನ ಹೊಡೋದು ಹಾಕಂದೆ ಹಾಕಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಚ್ನಾಗ ಹೊಡಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ದು? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮಾಲಿ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ಲಾ? WANATH ವಿಶ್ವನಾಥ್ ಗೌಡ, GOW ಜಿಯೋ ಯು
ಡಿ
ಇಷ್ಟೇ. ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ, ನೀವು ಹಿಂಗೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿರಣ. ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು ನನಗೆ ಹೋಸಲ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ಲು. ನೀವು ಏನು ಬೇಕಾದ್ ಬರೋದು ತೊಗೋಬೋದು. ಭಾಳ ಚಂದ ಅನಿಸ್ತದೆ. ಹ್ಞೂ ಹ್ಞೂ ಹಾಂ 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 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ನೀವು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಆನ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಇದನ್ನು. ಹಾಂ 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 ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾನ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ರೀ ಸರ್. ಹಾಂ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಒಂದು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಏನಾರ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಇಡೋದು ಸರ್. ಹಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ತೋರ್ಸ್ಯಾರ ನೋಡು, ಕ್ಲಿಪ್ ಇಟ್ಟು ಇಡೋದು ಅದು. ಹೌದು, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ. ಚಲೋ ಸರ್, ಇದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಂಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತದೆ. ಚಲೋ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ ಅದೇ 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 ಸರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು, ಈ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಐತಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಇಡ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಕೇಲಿನ ನಡು ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡೋದು, ಬುಕ್ಕದ ನಡು ಅಂಟ್ರೆ. ಹಾಂ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೋತ ಹೋಗೋದು. ಚಲೋ ಆಯ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮದು, ಮಸ್ತ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು ಇದು ಸರ್. ಇದು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಂಗೆ. ಅಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಚಲೋ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಇದು ತೀರಾ ತಿಳಿದಂಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪೇಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು. ಹಾಂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಚಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ. ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ
ಭಯಂಕರ ಕದ್ದೆ ಐತ್ರಿ. ಚಲೋ ಬಾಯಿ ಐತ್ರಿ. ಮತ್ತೇನಂದ್ರೆ ಲೆಟರ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿನಿ. ಏನಪ್ಪ ನಿಂದು ಬರೀ ಅದೇ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಬಂದಿದ್ದಿ, ನಿಂದೇನೋ ತಪ್ಪೇದಾರ ತೋರಿಸಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ. ಇದು ರೆಸಿಗ್ನೇಷನ್